Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to run Facebook ads in Europe. First, launch your browser and search for the Facebook Ads Manager website. Next, go to the site and either log in or create a new account. Once you're in, go to the Account Overview section to verify a few details before setting up your ad. Click on Create under the Campaigns tab. Select your preferred buying type and campaign goal. You'll see a list of different campaign objectives to choose from. Click Continue and type in the name of your campaign. In the Campaign Details section, you'll again see the buying type and campaign objective options. Create a product catalog to boost sales using Advantage Plus catalog ads. For your budget, decide between a campaign budget or an ad set budget. If you choose a campaign budget, you'll need to specify a daily budget and the associated cost. Then, turn off A or B testing and proceed to spatial ad categories. Indicate if your ad relates to finance, jobs, housing, social causes, elections, or politics to avoid disapproval. After that, select the appropriate ad category. Note that requirements vary depending on the country. Click Next and input your ad set name. Now, define where you'd like to direct your sales efforts. Select your performance goal and set a target cost per result. With a campaign budget, your daily budget is distributed automatically across ad sets to optimize performance. You may also set spending caps for each ad set individually. Set your campaign start and end date in the designated fields. Under the Audience section, determine who you want to reach. Choose Create New Audience, then select a location. Be sure the selected location covers at least a 15-mile radius around any city, address, or drop pin. Next, choose your target age range, gender, and languages if needed. Click Next, which will bring you to a new page. If you want to collaborate, turn on partnership ads to run ads with influencers, brands, or partners. Choose your page identity or connect your Instagram account. In Ad Setup, decide how you'll add your media and how the ad will be formatted. In the Destination section, add your website URL, display link, and any browser extensions. For ad creative, pick and fine-tune your visual tags and enhancements. When ready, hit Publish and you'll then be able to edit your business's location, currency, and tax details. Finally, add your payment method including the cardholder name, card number, expiration date, and CVV. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.